Oh, good morning. Mabel is a true Ivy. We had to wake up for school this morning and someone did not want to wake up for school. I said, it's time for school. She said, no. Look, say good morning, baby. Is that sherbet? Sherbet in your yogurt drink? Oh, you're drinking it one-handed like a big girl?
Wow.
Wow. One-handed. You look pretty in your dress.
Say thanks. I got it from my friend Erin.
Oh, thank you, Erin.
It was a hand-me-down from her daughter.
Well, it looks like we've got some work ahead of us before we get ready for school this morning. I don't get to go. I'm going to work, but we've got a little bit of time before we leave. Hopefully she'll...
It breaks my heart a little bit, piece by piece, every time we keep calling it school. I'm going with her. I'm going with her.
Play date. It's a play date.
It's a play group.
It's a play group at the school.
Yeah.
Yeah, for 2-year-olds, so it's not really school.
Good morning. We are almost at Mabel's first day of school. It's not really school. It's like, well, you know.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
I'm sure I'll get the official word when I get there, and I'm sure it said it on the email that I got, but anyways, I'm excited, and we'll either see you in there or see you later.
Let's see, do we need some of
What is it? Did you wet the paper? Let's see. Oh yeah. Look here, down here. Is it a leaf? Wet it all over. Good job. Oh, what color is that?
Did you wet your paper?
It is purple. Wow.
Let's wait for a color.
Sponge. Press, like stamps. Just like stamps, yeah.
Good job, baby.
Yeah. Stamp. You can wipe it. You can color it.
Put it all over the purple.
Where are you, bunny? Finding bunnies. Mabel, look. There's another bunny right there. Find that bunny. You found a bunny. Good job. Hi, butterfly. Hi, butterfly. Where you going, butterfly? We're looking for bunnies, and then we found a butterfly, huh?
Gosh, let's look for bunnies.
Looking for bunnies. Look! Oh, you found a bunny! You found a bunny! Good job!
I found bunny.
Found a bunny, man!
Would you like to see?
So, it's running errands time. We left the little Montessori-Waldorf school, and we're at Target now. Mabel is asleep. She had a blast. She said that she had so much fun. I wish I could have vlogged the teacher, because she is just the sweetest, precious thing. She's so sweet, so sweet. And I just love the calm, sweet environment of the class. It's just really awesome. Really awesome. She loved all of the outside part, and yeah, she's gonna love this, guys. She's gonna love this so much. Anyways, we're here at Target. I have a sleeping child, so I'm gonna sit here and wait till she wakes up. Even though Mama needs some coffee. It is so hot. I have melted off everything I have on my face, including my hair. Okay, so I didn't vlog in Target. I don't think so. We just got what we needed, what we were out of. And then I just got back from going into CVS. I'm just sick of Mabel getting eaten up. So at Target I got like an area candle or something, you know. And then I also got someone said the clip-on things work for them too. I don't know what to do when she's naked, which she likes to do a lot. I don't know what to do, but at least I've got a couple things. I hate that it's taken me so long to do this, but I didn't know that maybe my mosquito repellent just doesn't work that well. I don't know. It's deep free, which is better for them, and I don't want to put that chemicals on my child's skin, so maybe this is better. Anyways, so at CVS, which we're at now, I just picked up Carrie's prescription, and then now we are on our way to get bugs for the chickens. They need some more bugs, and this time I'm gonna get more because they're not that expensive. So I'm gonna get more for treats for them, and then I can't wait to go home because I'm literally exhausted. Like, I think I need another coffee. Alright guys, we're back. We've got crickets. I got more mealworms and they're in the refrigerator. And unfortunately, these crickets only last like alive in this bag for a couple hours. So, you know, it's not expensive to do, but it's just having to go there and get the crickets and then having to not be able to, you know, give them throughout a couple times a day or whatever. So that stinks. But anyways, we are going to give them, look at Egret, she knows. They all know something's going on, huh? You all know you're gonna get something, huh? Do you know? They know they're gonna get a treat. You know you guys are gonna get some treats. They're starting to get their neck feathers. Oh my goodness, they're going so big. Okay, cricket time. Look at these crickets. These are bigger than last times. They don't have the small ones. Oh, hope they don't jump out. People might freak out, huh? Okay, let's give them to them. They're everywhere. This time I got 18, because last time they literally like 8 to 8 in 2 seconds. 8 to 8. Oh boy, these girls are going after it now. They like them. Bad headache day. Carrie's massaging my head. Mabel, are you helping Mama?
Not anymore. Now she's holding her pajamas like they're a stuffed animal.
Yeah, she's holding her pajamas.
Laying here naked.
Yeah, and she won't put her underwear or pajamas on.
No, she's completely naked.
Oh, I've had a headache all day long. And it
I
just
didn't get
hurts
home
so
from work
bad.
until 9:30. That stunk.
We had turkey meatballs and corn on the cob for dinner. Still a little dry.
Seasoning was good.
I'm so not used to cooking turkey, guys. I keep trying this turkey meatball recipe my friend gave me. And just it's gotta be a lot of practice before I get it right, I guess. I've never cooked turkey before.
Has anybody watched the first season of Big Brother?
Because that's what we're doing, and this is absolutely horrible. But I can't stop watching it. It's crazy. What is it, baby?
I want to hold you, Mommy.
You want to hold me? Okay, Mommy's Mommy's hurting so bad. I'll hold you when I feel a little bit better, okay? I love you. I love you. You kiss me fast? Kiss me fast. Fast all over. Kiss me fast all over. No! Fast all over. Kiss me. Okay, kiss me soft on my cheek. Soft. Soft and slow. Okay, kiss me. Big kiss. Wow!
My kiss.
Yeah. Whoa! Wee! You can't breathe those kisses. Man, those good kisses.
Chapstick.
Oh, you got my chapstick? Oh, man.
Did you get my chapstick?
I want to.
Want some chapstick? No, now she wants some chapstick.
Okay, sorry my phone is janky, but Chentel's has to charge. Ow!
That's all.
No, it doesn't have to charge.
Oh.
You just had your phone there.
Oh, well, my misunderstanding. What are you doing?
Catch it up.
Huh?
I go pick.
Oh, you're gumping. It's time to go to bed.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Okay, Mabel, it's time to go to bed. Can you say thank you for watching?
Bye.
That's right, yeah. Say if you enjoyed today's vlog, please give us a quick thumbs up. Yep. And click the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell. We'll see you guys again tomorrow because we vlog
Daily.
daily. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
You gonna do gymnastics tomorrow? Tired. Look at those pink lips.
know.
I'll
Chapstick
get 'em.
on them.
I'll get 'em.